Hey guys, in this video we're going to be looking at ratio and recipes in particular. So we're starting off with an easy question and we're given the ingredients for 6 people. We want the ingredients for 18 people. So we need to figure out our scaling factor, which I'm going to call SF. So that will just be what we want it for divided by what we have the ingredients for, equals 3. So we need to times each ingredient by 3. That's it. So orange will be 200 times 3. Carrot will be 100 times 3. Cranberry will be 200 times 3. Lime, 160 times 3. And kiwi puree, 60 times 3. Yeah, simple as that. So in this one, we are given the ingredients for 8 people. We want it for 30. So our scaling factor will be 4. So we times everything by 4. Work out the ingredients, how much of each. Orange juice, 120 times 4. Lime, 170 times 4. Yeah, and mango will be 50 times 4. Simple as. Now I'm going to make it a little bit harder. So now we're asked to find out how many cocktails she can make. Yeah, so she's got this ingredient, dictates how much of everything she makes. So this time the scaling factor will be that divided by the amount needed for 6 cocktails. So if we whack that in the calculator, what do we get? Six and a half. So the scaling factor is 6.5. So we can make 6 times 6.5 cocktails, which will be 39. So one more like that, I think. So this time Raphael is making cakes and he has 280 grams of butter. And that's how many he needs for 4 cakes. So the scaling factor will be 280 divided by 80. 280 divided by 80 is 3.5. So he's got enough to make 4 times 3.5 cakes, which is 14. Yeah, so he can make 4 times 3.5 equals 14 cakes. Now, I encourage you to pause the video and read this question. Welcome back. So this time, the difference is we're finding the maximum number. So what dictates the maximum amount of cocktails that we can make? Well, it is the ingredient that runs out first. So we need to divide all these ratios with their equivalent. So for orange, we have 475 over 100, which is 4.75 batches, yeah? Mango, we have 310 divided by 70, which is 4.43 batches. And cranberry juice is 240 over 120, which is 2 batches. So we're going to run out of this first. So we can only make 2 batches of cocktails. which means we can make 16 cocktails. Make sense? Good. All right, let's do one more then. Call it a day. So, orange juice. We have 770 divided by 180. Which is 4.27 recurring. Kiwi, we have that divided by 200, which is a big number. So I'm running out that first. Carrot juice, 455 divided by 130. 3.5 batches. And the last one, strawberry puree, 935 over 180, which is 5.2. So we're going to run out of carrot juice first, which means we can make 3.5 batches of that. 6 times 3.5 is 21. So we can make 21 cocktails. Yeah. I hope that makes sense. I hope you've enjoyed that. See you soon.